In August 2012, Dongyang Engineering took its first step as a total solution provider that emphasizes customer satisfaction and networks with global corporations around the world in the fields of shipbuilding and offshore plant design, as well as equipment distribution. Design partners of Hyundai Heavy Industries Offshore Division in October 2012, and as its material supplier in January 2013. DYE became certified as a venture company in 2015 and established its own research center in August that same year to continuously conduct R&D and grow as a fruitful enterprise. DYE is a small but expert engineering, procurement, and construction company that meets customers' needs in a total of 6 core business areas: shipbuilding and offshore plant design and engineering, material procurement services, domestic equipment distribution, overseas trading, package and unit design, and commissioning service. The first core business is shipbuilding and offshore plant design. Having been recognized for its expert technology in feed verification, basic and detailed designs, and database preparation, DYE has won orders and successfully completed construction projects for major oil companies such as Exxon, BP, Total, and ADMA. DYE also offers high-quality services for the detailed and production design service requested by Hyundai Heavy Industries. The second core business is material procurement services. DYE performs proxy services for material specifications, technical assessments, data review, material customs, and incoming goods inspection according to customers' needs. Recently, DYE has been working on electric and instruments procurement service for scrubber and engineering and commissioning service for selective catalytic reduction systems of Hyundai Heavy Industries, which are being supplemented following strengthened exhaust gas regulations of the International Maritime Organization. The third core business is domestic equipment distribution. DYE distributes the products of world-renowned companies in the domestic market. DYE became certified as the official branch of Schneider Electric SE in 2012 to provide electric parts, electric systems, and technical services for EPC and petrochemical plants in Korea. Since 2013, DYE has also been providing marine simulator products of Kongsberg Maritime to marine-related research institutes, universities, and high schools in need of simulation training. Starting in 2014, DYE has been distributing and selling hull monitoring system of the Marine Institute Netherlands for FPSO, FPS to Korean shipyards. Also, DYE started Emerson business in the Korean market, including field calibration systems. Since 2016, DYE has been distributing Panduit Corp products such as cable ties and cleats, which are used in offshore, special purpose, and luxury vessels. Since 2017, DYE has also been distributing high-quality valves of Hirose GmbH, which are used in ultra-low temperatures in the domestic petrochemical and LNG industry. The fourth core business is overseas trading. Through global networking, DYE discovers and exports competitive marine, oil, and gas fields, petrochemical equipment, and materials made in Korea, together with partners in Singapore, Malaysia, India, Myanmar, and Middle Eastern countries. In the electric business, DYE mainly exports cables, monitors, and distribution boards, which are byproducts of our most powerful manufacturing technology, as well as products for the apartment and housing industry, such as fire prevention equipment, elevators, and CCTVs. Also, in the field of petrochemistry, we export various electrical and shipbuilding equipment and materials, including valves, hoists, electric and control systems. Moreover, in the area of cosmetics, we perform sales and marketing for countries with great interests in K-beauty. The fifth core business is the package and unit design business. In order to increase the ratio of localization to offshore plant equipment and materials, which normally have a high level of dependence on foreign goods, we have formed technical partnerships with international equipment manufacturers and are carrying out projects to improve our design and manufacturing capabilities. The last core business is the commissioning business. Commissioning technology is inspection and guarantees the performance of a supplied equipment or material through an actual verification after a device is provided and installed. Through differentiated technology, Dongyang Engineering provides quality technical services to customers. Having grown through ceaseless challenges and innovation, Dongyang Engineering will continue to be a company that presents services satisfying customers and leads the trends. Total solutions provider based on professional design and engineering experience. Dongyang Engineering.